Hi everybody, this is KENKEN Ben doing my second puzzle. Yesterday I said I might never do another one, and here I am again today. Persistence. Um, so I've got that 35 times, which takes the 5 out of here, which means we can put a 5 there. So that must be 3, 4, 6, 8. 120 is 5 times 24. We got 1, 9 are the only possibilities there. 5, 6, 8, 9, the only possibilities there. Here we've got 4, 7 to make 28. Take out that 4, take out that 6. Okay, here we've got 1, 2, 8, 9. 1, 8 or 2, 9. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We could normally put a 5 there, but we've already got a 5 in that column, so we just leave it like that. Here we've got 3, 7, 9, but there's no 7 there because we've got a 7 already in that column. And we've got 4, 5 here to make 20, so we can take that 4 out. Now, here for 420, it's 5 times 7 times 12. And that 12 has to be made up of 2, 3, 4, 6. So we end up with 2, 3, 6, 7 as the possibilities there. Coming here, we've got 1, 2, 8, 9. As we've already done. Now this 12 has to be a 1 in it somewhere. So we can take that 1 out of there, take that 8 out of there. Now this is where it gets a bit tricky. This was actually quite a difficult one. I do them beforehand and then redo it for a video. So I'm not spending my whole time saying, ooh, what's next? Which I'm going to do anyhow. But, excuse me. The difficult part here, or the things that are difficult to place that you should really look for is 5s and 7s because they don't go into many of the multiples. And because they're not in these two cells down the bottom, we've got to put them somewhere. We can't put them both here because that's not going to work, which means one of them has to go here and the other one must go up the top. So we get 5, 7, which leaves us with 4, 6, 8. And because these two now have to include a 5 and a 7, it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we've already got 4, 5 out of there, so that's 6, 7, 8. And this must be 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, if we look here, there's nowhere to put 4 in this column except for here. So that has to be 2, 4, 8. Okay. So let's see what either of those do. If it's 2, 4, we end up with 1, 8 here. 2, 4, 1, 8. And we're going to end up with 3, 6, 9, or some combination of 3, 6, 9 has to go there. But that's not going to work because 3, 6 would leave you with 1 in those two cells there, multiplying to 1. Obviously not going to work. So we've got to assume that is in fact 4, 8. So let's get rid of that 2, which means we can come down here and say there's no 8. We can come here and say there's no 1. We've got rid of 8s. Now we can see those 3 cells are in fact 5, 6, 7. We've got 2, 9, 4, 8. All that's left is 1, 3. So we put 1, 3 there. We've got 1, 3, 1, 9. Now over here we've got 1, 9. So we can't put 1s in there, which means they've got to multiply to 6. It has to be 2, 3. which means that's got to be 1, that's got to be 4, that's got to be 2. 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, we've got 6, 7, 8, 9. Missed the 8, there you go. That has to be 6, there's nothing else can go there. And to make that up to 12, it's going to be 6, 1, 2. So we lose that 9, we lose that 2. Okay. That has to be 8. That has to be 7. We get 6, 5. Now, there's no 2 there, so there's no 9. 1, 8, 4, 5, 2. We get 3, 6, 7, 9. 3, 6, 7, 9. We can't have a 7 there. Or there, or there. Sorry, that's not right. We can't have a 9 there. Okay. And we cannot have 7s there. So what does that leave us with? We're going to have 1, 9. We're going to have 2, and we're going to have 3. All right, let's get back to here. Actually, got some obvious stuff up the top. Always do the obvious stuff first. Makes your life a lot easier. Here, it has to be 5, 7, 9, but 5 and 7 are already gone. So that's 9, 7, 9, 8. That has to be 3. We can see the 2, 7 already there, so that has to be 9, 7, 6, 1, 3, 9, 4, 5, 2, 7, 8, 7. Okay, so this becomes 1, 5, 4, 8. Okay. What else have we got? All we've got here, because there's a 9 already in this row, it's 1, 2, 3, 6. We can see if it's 1, 3, then both the cells on either side of that have to be 2, and that doesn't work. So it can't be 1, 3, it must be 2, 6. So you take out that 2, or those 2s, take out those 6s, which leaves us with 3, 9, which means that has to be 6. That has to be 4, 8. Hold on, what have I done? Get rid of that 4, 8 first. That was not 1, 3. That was 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. 2, 6, 7, 9, 1, 3. No, I'm just going to go back because I've stuffed that up completely. Okay. This could not be 1, 3. It has to be 2, 6. So we get rid of those. 1, 3. We get 2, 6. There's no 2s here, which means there's no 6s here, which means that's 3, 9. That has to be 6. That has to be 4, 8. 1, 5, 4, 8. So we've got, coming across this row, we've got 7, 9, 2, 6, 1, 3, 4, 8. That's 5. And that's 2. 1, 9, 2, 5, 7, 8. 3, 4, 6. Okay, so these two have to add to 12. But there has to be a 3 here, so there's no 3 up there, so it's 4, 5, 7, 8. Oh, look. The only thing that can go on that first position is 4. That's 8. Okay. Take out that 6 because we just took out that 8. There's a 4 and a 6. Okay. We've got 4, 7 here, so that has to be 8. 4, 8. Okay, 8, 6, and 7, 9, 2. I've got to use the 5 because it's not going to go in the 24 times, so that is the 1, 5. Like that. Only leaves 3, 4, 2. what's left there. 1, 9, which gives us a 9, a 1, a 9, a 1, a 9. We've got 8, 6. You just tidy this up now. So you do all the hard work early, and then it gets easy towards the end. That's the theory. What have we got here? 5, 6, and that can be 2, 7. So we get 1, 3, 6, 8. Okay, so that's 3, 2, 7. Can't be 5, has to be 9. 3, 1, 2, 7, 4, 5, 1, 8, 9. Just clearing up as much of the obvious stuff before we do that last bit. And if I can limit anything, any cell to less than 4 possibilities, I'm just going to add them all. So let's just highlight all of those, click add all, see what's left, and we're pretty much done here. 1, 3, 8, 7, 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 3. There we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. I think I only made one mistake, well, probably 2 mistakes straight after each other, but we got there in the end. Thanks for watching.